Today I'm going to be reviewing ChunHee's Dog Bells Go Outside, Bell for Dogs to Ring to Go Potty. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and take a look at what we got. Here is the bell. Now on the back, you spin this off here to get to the batteries. There's the back off. You just put the batteries there and then put it back on. Just make sure to tighten it when it gets back on and lock it in place. It's very easy to install. You're going to get this little double-sided cube. You're going to put this on one side here, and then you're going to put it on your door or wherever your dog's going to hit it. They are going to either hit it with their paw or with their nose. So you can hear this one just says potty. There's actually different volumes. So volumes up here, off there. It goes up to 115 decibels. Definitely loud. And then there's some different sounds. 28 ringtones. So whatever you like. I kind of like the potty, but maybe you want something a little bit longer. When they hit this, let them go outside, say good dog. Maybe you reinforce it with a treat. Very easy to use. It's a great idea, and I'm excited to get this up and to use this. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.3 stars, 48 reviews, and last month, 300 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.